Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So today in this video I'm gonna evaluate an essay sent by a student for IELTS Task 2. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe right now because I regularly upload videos. And if you have any concern, any question, anything that comes in your mind, feel always absolutely free to ask. This is your own channel. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, what happens in our IELTS exam, especially in writing, when we come back from the examination, we ourselves set an expectation based on our self analysis, and if we don't get anything near to that, we imagine like why we didn't get, what went wrong. So that is why I'm making this video, so that I can show you how word by word evaluation takes place, so that if so that you can find out and you can improve. And also I recommend always use a pencil, so that in case you make any silly mistakes, you can always wipe it and uh, correct it later. All right, so let's proceed. So let's go to the statement. Today the high sales of popular consumer goods reflect the power of advertising and not the real needs of the society in which they are sold. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Write at least 250 words. All right, so now let's go to the response of the student. Nowadays, marketing plays a very important role in sales industry. People have this urge. Do you see a mistake? I do. Why P is small? People have this urge to buy products which are well advertised, and very often they overlook the purpose of the purchase. Again, I think she should have written and very often people overlook. Why she should have written people? Because there are two nouns used here, people and products, and when she writes they, who overlooks, products or people? So clarify. You have words like latter, former, that you can use. All right, let's go to the next sentence. It's a trend nowadays. Do you see a mistake? I do, straight away. It is, so there should be an apostrophe or else write it full. It is, it's not possessive. It's a trend these days to invest money in products which are promoted by their favorite celebrities. Do you see a mistake? I do. Celebrity spelling error, or recommended by a well-to-do friend. Therefore I strongly agree with the statement. I capital. So guys, do you see the number of errors, issues here? So many. So in introduction, although she conveyed her message, she could not write it in a well or better, in a good way, whatever. Now let's proceed further. People love to buy branded things. Do you see an error? See the spelling of buy. For an example, YF is capital. Shopping for clothes, shoes or phones, they would put, for an example, they would put in their hard-earned money in highly advertised stores like Gucci, Jimmy Choo or products. Okay, why J is small in Jimmy Choo and G is capital in Gucci? Doesn't make any sense. J should be capital here. Jimmy Choo or products like iPhones. I think iPhone is a single word. Without even considering an option of phones, an iPhone, why she has written phones, I don't know. Without even considering an option of phones which might provide them same features of an iPhones. Okay, now she has written an iPhones, and then there it was iPhones. Wow, doesn't make any sense. Or a alternative store. Do you see an error? Or an alternative store. So she has done mistakes in article A and the. Okay, where they might get same quality of product, same quality product she can write in a much pocket friendly range. Why to make things complicated? This is the impact of strong marketing, where when people see big banners. Do you see an error? Why W is small? When people see big banners with good looking models on the road, and also advertisements on television, newspapers and magazines, they get good publicity and people put their trust in such products. Surprisingly, I'm also surprised why S is small. Okay, proceed. Surprising, even when it comes to food products, she should have written food products. People like to buy goods to which are hyped. Why are too hyped? Which are hyped and well advertised. For instance, organic food, okay, whereas YW is small, whereas supermarkets generate more revenue than local stores simply because of the popularity they gain through good marketing strategies. However, this could be a major concern in society because many people rely on small businesses and probably they cannot afford marketing on such a high scale. Perhaps this affects them in monetary aspect. The effect or affect. Use proper words there. Anyway, so this was not at all a good piece of writing. Although she managed to convey her a message, she managed to um, answer the query, but the way she has written is not good at all. There are too many errors, because even if you do a mistake unknowingly, like a spelling mistake or anything like that, it's a mistake, because it doesn't matter what is on your mind and how better you know English. What matters is what you put on the paper. So unfortunately she couldn't do well on the paper. So this, from my analysis, it would get somewhere around 5.5. Of course, I have no tool that I can tell you exactly how much it will get, but it deserves like that because of so many errors she has done. Anyway, so this is how it works, guys. So always have some extra time at the end so that you can go through on your own and avoid some mistakes. So I hope you like this video. Make sure give it a like and comment, and if you have any concern, any question, I think it comes in your mind, feel always ask for your feedback. Thank you, guys.